Electricity is essential in the workplace, but it can also be deadly if not handled properly. Regulations has established guidelines to help keep workers safe. Here are the top 10 workplace electrical safety tips to prevent hazards and ensure compliance. Tip 1. Use safety circuits. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, sometimes also called residual current devices or RCDs, shut off power instantly if they detect an imbalance in electrical current. They are essential in wet or high-risk environments, such as construction sites and industrial areas. Test circuits monthly by pressing the test button to ensure they function correctly. Tip 2. Inspect electrical equipment regularly. Damaged cords, frayed wires, and faulty equipment increase the risk of shocks and fires. Inspect tools and cords before use. Tip 3. Keep electrical equipment dry. Water and electricity are a deadly combination. Use appropriately rated extension cords and equipment in wet environments, and always work in dry conditions whenever possible. Thank you for watching. This video took over a week to create, and we're thrilled to share it with you for free on YouTube. If you found it valuable, the best way to show your appreciation is by sharing it with your team, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue creating quality content. Tip 4. Lockout tagout. Before servicing electrical equipment, follow the lockout/tagout procedures to prevent accidental energization and injuries. Be sure to see our video on lockout and tagout procedures. A link is in the description. Tip 5. Avoid overloading circuits. Overloaded circuits can cause overheating, sparks, and fires. Use appropriately rated power outlets and avoid daisy-chaining multiple extension cords. Tip 6. Ensure electrical grounding. Grounding electrical systems prevent unexpected shocks. Ensure all equipment has an in-date test tag attached. Tip 7. High voltage. Stay clear of high-voltage equipment, unless you are authorized and wearing the appropriate PP. Tip 8. Housekeeping. Maintain a tidy workspace, avoiding tangled electrical leads. Ensure electrical panels are easily accessible and not blocked. Tip 9. Ongoing training. Ensure all workers attend electrical hazards training and know how to effectively mitigate electrical hazards. Tip 10. Immediately report electrical hazards. If you notice faulty outlets, exposed wiring, or malfunctioning equipment, report it to a supervisor immediately to prevent accidents. Electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. Following legislative guidelines and these top 10 tips can help create a safer workplace for yourself and your coworkers.